Hello, welcome guys, welcome back to the channel Classic Games United. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to enhance Minecraft and use the texture pack like we are seeing here, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to install the texture pack. Right, it's very easy. Stay tuned and I'll be back. Right guys, let's get into the tutorial. Right, so I am using an old version of the game, and I'm also using Extreme Launcher. If you want, you could use a new version of the Minecraft, but I prefer to use the old version because it works good for me, right? So let's go to internet and type in Minecraft Epic Adventure Pack. Okay, click on this, and then you just come over here and click view all and look for the version for your game, right? So let's keep on checking guys. You will see it. Right, this is the version we want here, 1.1.12.2. right, so we're going to download this. Go to here, click download, and just wait a while to download, right? Download. You could get it fixed for this too, but we'll just download this for now. Alright, and what you want to do, go back to the launcher, open folder Minecraft, and go to resource pack. Right, and just click on any other folder to open up here. Go to downloads and open back up this. Right, and just drag it in the resource pack, right? So when you start the game now, you will just go to options and resource pack, and you will see it, right? So I'll be back in the game. Guys, so when you back in the game, right? Back in the game. So just click on options, resource pack, and you will see it here, Epic Adventures. Click on it here and click done. Click on done again, and then go to your game. Let's choose selected and let's play a selected room. Alright, so let's get into the game. Give it some time to load up. There you go, guys. This is the look options again, resource pack, and that's how you install graphic texture mods for Minecraft in 2025. Right, simple and easy. And also, if you're in doubt, let's go back to here. So this is the normal version here. As you can see, the normal version, options, resource pack. Just gonna show you a little different. This is the Epic Adventure version. So as you can see, it works very good. Guys, as you can see, name on top, Epic Adventure. Even the menu, everything has changed. Alright, so you could try this with different mod packs. Different mod packs might be different to install. but this is just a simple way how to install texture pack in Minecraft. Alright, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we're just gonna play a little bit and then I'll end the video. Alright guys, so just walking around up a bit. This texture mod is pretty awesome. Yeah, I love the new look, how you looking, and you have inventory and stuff. See, wow, it's beautiful guys, looks very beautiful.
Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protected. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. When there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm
Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe guys. I'll be very happy to reach 10k subscribers. Hope that I help you all with this tutorial guys. Thanks for watching. Classic Games United here, signing out, and I'll see you next week. Take care and bye bye.